My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. One of my technician brought this phone to me and he told me that this phone is charging itself. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out. Let me put battery now. Check this out. Just connect battery now. Check this out. You can see. Check this out. The phone start charging itself. You can see no charger is connected. The phone start charging itself. So this is the problem of this phone. This is the problem of this phone. My dear technician, to solve this issue is very simple. Some technicians find it very hard to solve this issue, but for me, I don't find it very hard to solve it. My dear technician, to solve this issue, first of all, check for physical damage. I like saying this time with that number, check for physical damage. Check this out. I zoom to check, and check this out. There's a transistor here. You can see there's a transistor here that is burned. So this is the problem. This is the reason why this phone is charging itself. Check this out. You can see this transistor is burned. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this, feel free, let me know in the comment section if you have any question concerning this. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. So first thing is for me to get this transistor removed. Okay, I'll get this transistor removed. After getting this transistor removed, if the phone continues charging itself, I'll go further and check. Okay, my dear technician, like I said, if you have any question, you can let me know. Okay, if you have any question at all, you can let me know. My dear technician, let me turn on my Alt A machine and get this transistor removed. Check this out. Check this out. If you have any question, let me know. Let me get this transistor removed. I'll be done. Check this out. You can see. Let me get it removed. It's very simple. No time wasted. Check this out. Take your time to do it. Please do not rush. Take your time to do it. Check this out. Check this out. This is the transistor. Just get it removed now. You can see this is the transistor. So this transistor is burnt out because of the charger they used to charge this phone. So that is why the transistor burned. I think the charger was too powerful. So that is why this burned. The charger was too powerful. That is why. Okay, now, my dear technician, I'm done. So let me connect battery. Let me put battery now and see if it's going to charge itself. Check this out, please. Don't skip this video so that you will learn a lot. Check this out. Check this out. You can see it's not charging itself. Check this out. It's not charging itself. Check this out. It's not charging itself anymore. And I will turn on the phone for you guys to see. Let me turn on now. I just turn on the phone now. I want you guys to see that this phone is not charging itself again. My dear technician, you may ask, will this phone charge when they plug charger? The answer is yes. It's going to charge very well when you connect charger. Check this out. It's not charging itself. Now let me connect charger for you guys to see. You can see start charging. You can see it's charging very well without any issue. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this, you are free. Let me know if you have any question concerning this. My dear technician, you can see I unplug and I plug it again for you guys to see that it's not charging itself now. It's only charging when you connect charger. Okay, so you can see it's charging now very well. It's charging now very well. Check this out. Very simple, no stress. It is important for you to check for physical damage. Very important, so that you can easily detect and then fix it. My data ignition, you can see I disconnect charger now. You can see it stopped charging. You can see everything is working perfectly. It's working normal now. You can see I connect battery again for you guys to see. You can see it's not charging itself again. It's working 100%. Check this out. It's working. It's not charging itself. I just turn on the phone now for you guys to see. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. It's working 100%. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this, you can let me know. And bye bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all.